Loud and proud, eh, Josh?
Yes.
I am Josh, hear me roar.
There's a lash in my lungs, folks.
He goes, grabs their tank.
Okay, round 2, boys, round 2.
Whoa.
Whoa!
And they're out.
Turn over lights on the other side.
Can't move. It's easier to see.
Why wouldn't they do that here?
Because we're stupid.
Oh, there's fireworks going off over there. Either that or that's lightning. I think it's fireworks.
What are you talking about, Wilson?
Lady Gaga says. Awesome.
You're a born farmer?
No.
Oh.
I told Katie, I said, I'm a cynical person, I can't help it. And I said, as Lady Gaga said, I was
That's cool though. You can see like flashing over there with the fireworks there. On the other side.
oh yeah.
There's a pillar out of the way.
There's fireworks.
Right down there.
Oh, I can see there.
Whee! Boo, 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 boo.
Wonder where that's from.
Alright, must be getting close to the end now. Did you say Mackinac?
Maybe.
You would not see them from Mackinac.
Well,
No.
what's the glow thingy from over there?
That's probably.
Because they go off once in a while over there.
It's definitely not Mackinac.
What's the next closest thing? That's right?
No.
No.
Kinross?
No. It's not Newberry because it's too far away. I think it's like that city. It's on the your apartment.
Ah! Wrong direction, man. No, Whitefish you can see them a lot closer.
Whitefish, yeah, that's Whitefish Island, but Whitefish Point maybe.
Oh, wait, it'd be too different. That's more. Isn't there like a bell point over there or something like that? Bell. Yeah, something like that. Ba-bam. Is that her truck?
No, she's so excited over that I just realized why they do most of their colors in red and blue.
No! Whoa!
I was about to ask you the question, why are most of them in red and blue? I'm sorry.
Putting that
next
university
time I'll
education to good use, or aren't you, John?
See, even the baby's yelling at you.
I know, you're an idiot. Don't worry, one day.
Stupid!
Be prepared.
She's still yelling at you, Josh.
I know.
You're insulting my intelligence here.
I'm gonna upload these videos to YouTube.
Oh, so you can hear us insulting Josh on YouTube.
Yeah.
Really? Oh, you can hear that?
Oh yeah, totally.
I'm gonna stop talking now.
Probably a good idea.
What? Ah. Not gonna happen.
Should I take the shovel from? Should I take the shovel out of your hand there, Josh?
What?
Should I take the shovel out of your hands?
Digging a bigger hole. You know what'd be cool is if they had one.
had to hold the button to talk.
Wouldn't that be awesome? What'd be cool is if there was a firework but it had a dollar sign.
Oh, that was good.
What?
Firework exploded on the ground there.
Nice. Maybe it lit somebody's hair on fire.
It's quiet time.
Right time. Yeah.
Yeah, Josh.
Take your own
Right here,
advice.
remember the button?
We're playing the science game now. You ready? Have a big rock.
She got like a keyboard like Stephen Hawking.
Good job.
You do.
Damn, a lot of people take their kids to these things.
Finale or not.
No. It'd be much
That would look
bigger
like it
than
was
this.
giving you the finger.
Yeah, I'm used to doing that.
said like you realize that it's American fireworks.
We were trying to play the quiet game. I didn't like it. Okay, you guys gotta start breaking out into New York, New York. Go.
Nope. Nope.
Hey, that's going on YouTube. Shut up. Were you just trying to sing the American anthem?
Do you care?
Do you even know it?
The Star Spangled Banner.
Yes.
Song about war. Something like that.
No, it's not. By the dawn's early rise.
Because you're from drunk.
Show some respect, goddammit!
Are you?
Yeah.
We're taking like
Bye.
Have a safe trip home. Send me a text when you guys get back. Yeah. Alright, take care, guys.
Nope, they're not done yet.
Okay, no problem.
Pew, pew, pew.
And then never fall.
Bam, bam, bang and bam.
That would be really anti-climatic if that was the end.
Pretty much.
Hey, y'all. Oh,
There we go. That's gotta be the finale right there. Wow, what a spectacle of fireworks and sound. Hey! Oh! Oh, it's so cute, Chris. Can I keep it? Can I keep it? Let's get
We're gonna start wandering back to the car.
Okay.
Got your finger.
Okay.
Woo! Yay! You guys rock. All right, game over.